Hello friends, welcome to our channel Castor classes, and in this particular video I will discuss a little bit twisted version of our previous question whatever we have discussed. Okay, in our previous video already I have discussed reverse words in string 3 and the problem was taken from LeetCode problem number 557. If you have not watched our previous video, go to the description box, there I will be giving the link of our previous video. Okay, so the problem was like this, you will be given one string, you have to reverse the order of characters in each word within the sentence while still preserving the white space and initial words order. Okay, like let's, this part has to be just basically reversed, this particular let's word and s apostrophe s t e l, like that it should be printed. Don't think like that the position of the word will change, just in a within a particular word whatever characters are there that has to be reversed. Okay, that's all what we have done in our previous video. So we have seen this particular code to implement. Now just with a bit twist, the question here it is given in GeeksForGeeks. Okay, and this particular question is appeared in different companies also, like Adobe, Amazon, Flipkart, MAQ Software, Microsoft, Paytm, Zoho. So you can check. Okay, so basically the same kind of heading, that is reverse each word in a given string, but the twist is that what it is given, first of all this is not a function problem. Here you have to write the complete code, like here in LeetCode we have given only function, right, reverse words, but here we have to write the complete code, and along with that take the input pattern. Okay, so basically in our input, instead of space separation, this is dot separated. Okay, this is another twist. So we will be writing same code, just read the problem statement once. Given a string of length n, reverse each word in it, words are separated by dots. Okay, so previously our delimiter was space, now delimiter is dot. Now how we should take input? First one is number of test cases, like 2. So for 2 test cases our code should run. One string is this one, another string is this one. If you consider this string, I like this program very much, so I is one word, so obviously I will come as it is. Like will be EKIL, this will be SIHT, like that. Each word has to be reversed, but the word position will not change. Okay, so what we can do first is we have to take number of test cases as input. So t equal to int input. Okay, then I equal to 0 I am defining, then while I less than t. Okay, like I have to iterate that many number of times, right? And here I will be writing I equal to I plus 1. Okay, so now what we can do, we have to take each string as input. So a equal to input. Okay, we are taking this string as input. Now what we will do, we will be taking same logic from here. Okay, I am not explaining the logic, you can check my previous video. Just I want to show you a bit twisted version of our previous code, that's why I am showing this. So here take care of the indentation part, because in case of Python indentation is very important, and here no need to return something, here we will be directly print. Okay, so print join output. Okay, fine. So basically here let me take other a equal to input we have taken, then this should be a dot split, right? A dot split, and then for I in E print join. Okay, same code, just I want to show you what are the modifications needed. Like a dot split, previously we were splitting with respect to white space, now we have to split with respect to dot. Previously we were joining with respect to white space as delimiter, now we have to join with respect to dot. That's what. Okay, let me submit this and check whether it is successfully applied on all the test cases or not. So some problem is there, join output. Okay, output is not defined. Yeah, output is not defined here. So join output, what is the error? Okay, indentation problem. So this print should be here, right? After just we have to print in each iteration, so it should be here. Let us check now. First let me compile and test. So I equal to I plus 1. I is one, making one problem. Okay, so here I variable name same, so I let me change the I variable name. Okay, I E IE. Okay, so let us check now. Yeah, my name is ym.eman.si, so it is perfectly working for this particular test case. Now we have to check that whether all the test cases are passed or not. Yes, see, correct answer, execution time 0.02. So basically what I want to show you, that same problem can be appeared in a bit twisted format. Like you should know how to split a string and form a list if the string delimiter is dot. Okay, that's what, how to use list, how to use reverse, how to use join, how to use split. Okay, and not, don't expect that you will always get a functional problem that you have to write the function part. Many times you have to write the complete part also, like here we have to write the complete part. Okay, same code I am going to post in the description box or in the comment section. If you want, you can check there, and don't forget to check our previous video to understand the algorithm we are implementing here. Okay, thank you for watching, and if you have not subscribed our channel till now, don't forget to subscribe and like, share and comment, and don't forget to press the bell icon beside the subscription icon to get the notification of our latest video. Thank you.